Hello all. Tip of the day. Do read the end user license agreement whenever you are installing any of the software. Generally we download many of the softwares, either you purchase them and download it, or any of the open source platforms you download it and install it. But did you ever take a note in reading this end user license agreement? You have to, because it has many inclusions, like it has who is the software developer and to whom it is given to, and till what period he can use it, how many licenses or on how many devices it can be installed, and basically the most important thing, copyright information. It means if you are trying to copy it to any other devices apart from what it is installed onto, then what are the clauses available and how they will be taking action against you. So to protect from all these things, every software will be including the end user license agreement. So please do read the end user license agreement whenever you are trying to install any of the software, and do not forget to download the software from trusted sources only. Thank you.